In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe on Substack. Whether you're trying to declutter your inbox or simply stop receiving content from a specific publication, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Substack homepage. To get there, open your preferred web browser and log into your Substack account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see your homepage. If you've been receiving numerous subscriptions and your inbox feels overwhelming, this is the place to tackle that issue. Next, move your cursor to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. It'll probably be a small circle with your profile image inside it, or it might just be a default icon if you haven't set a personal photo. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. The Settings menu is your control center for your Substack account, where you can manage subscriptions and adjust your preferences. After you've clicked Settings, you'll be on a new page. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Subscriptions. This is the area where you control all the publications that are currently making their way into your inbox. Look through your list of subscriptions and find the publication you wish to unsubscribe from. Clicking on the name of the publication will take you to its individual settings page, where you can manage its specific notifications. Now focus on the notifications section on this page. This is where you can opt out of receiving future emails from this particular publication. Look for the unsubscribe button here and click it. Unsubscribing from notifications is perfect for when you don't want to receive emails yet still want access through your Substack account. If this publication is one that you have been paying for, there's an additional step involved. Scroll a bit further to find the section labeled Account Actions. Within this section, you should see a link that says to cancel your paid subscription, click here. Selecting this link will help you take action on the financial side of your subscription. Finally, to complete the process, you'll need to click on Cancel Subscription. This will ensure you no longer incur any charges moving forward and that your payment details are no longer associated with that specific publication. Remember, this action is often irreversible, so make sure it's really what you want before you click. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to manage and unsubscribe from Substack publications. By following these steps, you can keep your inbox tidy and free of unwanted content while maintaining control over your paid subscriptions. Hopefully this guide has empowered you to manage your Substack experience effectively. Thanks for watching.